Hello everyone! Is your car shifting hard, struggling to accelerate, or stuck in limp mode? If your OBD2 scanner has detected P0749, Pressure Control Solenoid A Intermittent, this means the solenoid responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure in your transmission is not working properly, causing erratic shifting, overheating, and potential transmission failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0749 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0749? The P0749 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an intermittent fault in Pressure Control Solenoid B. This solenoid plays a crucial role in regulating hydraulic pressure for smooth transmission operation. If this issue is not fixed, it can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, or overheating, poor fuel economy. Check engine light on vehicle stuck in limp mode. If you're experiencing these issues, let's check the exact location of the components causing the problem. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0749, check these important components. Pressure Control Solenoid. B. Location. Inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function. Regulates hydraulic pressure for proper gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP. Sensor location. Mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function. Monitors hydraulic pressure and ensures smooth transmission operation. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location. On the transmission case near the input shaft. Function. Tracks input shaft speed to ensure proper gear shifts. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location. Usually found under the hood near the battery or firewall. Function. Controls solenoid operation based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors. Location. Runs between the solenoid, sensors, and PCM. Function. Ensures stable communication. Damaged wiring can lead to solenoid failure. Common causes of P0749 faulty pressure control. Solenoid B. If it malfunctions, the transmission won't regulate pressure properly. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged, corroded, or loose wiring can cause intermittent solenoid failure. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can clog solenoids and affect shifting. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can trigger the code. PCM/TCM software issues. A software glitch may require an update or reset. Internal transmission problems. A failing valve body or worn-out clutch plates may need repair. How to fix P0749. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Pressure Control Solenoid B. Test resistance using a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify sensor readings match expected values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 5. Examine the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare data with the output speed sensor. Step 6. Test the PCM/TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD2 scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. Final words. If left unfixed, P0749 can lead to serious transmission issues. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0364, ignition coil. D, primary secondary circuit malfunction. P0365, camshaft position sensor. B, circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.